What's up, YouTube, man? I'm saying we back at another video, man. See, right now, I'm having a little issue right now, my Infiniti with Finn. So basically, my car was giving off a code for misfire cylinder 3, I believe. I changed the spark plugs, it's still saying the same thing. Changed the coil pad, still did the same thing. So at this conclusion, what we're guessing is the catalytic converter. So I tried to put my, my test pipes on, or my down pipes, and the person that was doing it for me, he couldn't get the bolt out. So I had to leave my car here at the dealership and stuff like that. So I had somebody coming over to put the down pipes in for me. But for now, he's just sitting here. Hopefully he could put it in, and hopefully that's the problem. And if that's not the problem, well, at least we got down pipes already in. And yeah, then if that's not the problem, then we're going to talk about the maybe the valve cover gasket, maybe check that out. You know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, we're gonna get into the video and grapple up. There's a lot of work to get to that shit, the damn boat. Nah, I see why them shots gonna do it like that. For the down pipe.
Yeah.
I see why the shops don't do it.
You couldn't find shops that did it?
Boy, it took like almost an hour to get the. We got the headers loose, so now we're gonna get it out at the bottom. Yep. So guys, unfortunately, he couldn't take it out right now because he needed my back seat to move, and my front seat doesn't move. So I'm bringing it to his crib right now, so he can take the seat out of his G37 and put it in mine, so he can move my seat, and he can work on it from there. And then he said he should have it done like by tomorrow morning. So yeah. I gotta drive the thing slow, but you hear the sound making? Yeah, that shit's bad. So yeah, driving slowly to him. It's about 30 minutes out, so should cruise slowly. Changing plans, man. Try to make it over. I couldn't. I was 20 minutes out, but smoking everywhere, so I'm gonna just have to take it home. Hopefully get it at the house and shit. Yeah, man. It's that Infiniti life, bro. Your boy had to stop for some gas real quick. We're 10 minutes away. Yeah, to get back to the drive. This shit, 20, 30 minutes feel like an hour right now though I'm driving. Come on, only 20. Yeah, we get back in the drive though. So yeah, guys, we back, man. I ain't had my car in like a week. So basically what's going on is, it wasn't the Cadillac converter, but the tick sound was the Cadillac converter. But what was going on is, the spark plug, not the spark plug, coils weren't good. Like, I think 3, 4, and 5 weren't good. So I changed out both of those. But I changed that before, but it's still doing the same thing. But what's coming to find out, it was the fact that those coils was, I guess, not good. Those brands, so I changed the brand, and now it's driving way better. And then the check engine light that was on is off now because I took out the catalytic converter. So, and I got the down pipes in, so it's driving way better. Right now the car is dirty. It's very dirty right now. I ain't gonna lie, it's very dirty right now. But I just got it back, so it's been sitting there. So, and it got louder, and it got louder and raspier, but it's pulling. Let me get y'all a little, you know what I'm saying, a little something. How it sound right now, and I might get y'all a little flyby in the tunnel. Yeah, boys, I'm glad he's back. You feel me? I need a haircut. I'm getting a haircut tomorrow. This shit bad. But yeah, I'm glad she's back. You know what I'm saying? I might get y'all little flybys and stuff like that under the tunnel. But I'm glad he's back. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do a valve cover. I know my shit's leaking. Infiniti shit always leak. I don't know. But yeah, I'm glad she's back. But check in for more videos. Yeah, but got much louder, huh? Much louder. Okay, start up. Hold it. Hold on.